Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I will show you how to use Google Docs in Windows 10. So, to use Google Docs, at first we need to go to Google Chrome. After we have opened it, next you have to go to Google Apps menu and you have to scroll down and you will get Google Docs and other Google Apps. Okay, it's opening. It will take a bit of time. Yeah, we are ready. So, learn by parts. Main menu. And here you can choose files. Okay, from Google Docs, you can switch to Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms. And here comes settings. Let's click on this and okay. Using this, you can set that always show right to left control. Yes, of course. Templates. Display recent templates on home screen. Yeah, I want this. And offline. Create, open and edit your recent Google Docs files in this device while offline. Yeah, definitely. And activity keyboard. Not interested about this. And next comes help and feedback. And this is Google Drive. Okay, recently I made a video about Google Drive and I show you that Google Drive it's a cloud storage. It has Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slide, Google Forms and many more. Okay, Drive has that. So from here you can go to these apps too and you can go to Drive too. Yes, definitely. Here you can see I have gone to Drive. Just a click. And you can go to slides too. Yes, this tab is now switched to slide. Okay, now let's start a new document. Okay, let's then go to search. In the search bar, you can search all over the Google Docs. And then it comes template gallery. Okay, here you can get gallery of a template. Templates are ready-made designs that have already been created in this Google Docs and it's a gallery of template. And now then comes hide all templates. Okay, these are the templates and you can hide them with just a click. Yeah, they are hidden and as here you can see to rechange the settings I have to go to settings and display recent templates on home screens. Yeah, templates are showing again and the blank document area is showing at here. And when you close this thing, let me close and the blank document option comes here. So these are the recent documents owned by me and you can filter owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me. And using this list view, you can change the pattern how they will be shown. Here comes more and folders. Okay. Then switch to next. Here comes the plus button, which means create a new document. And you can choose a template too. Okay, so let's at first go to create a document. Yeah, we are in a untitled document. Let's start. Let's type something. Yeah, yeah, you can edit it, make it bigger, bold, italic, underline, and many more text colors. And here comes the font. Nice font, but I don't like cursive. I like Arial one. Yeah, it's very common. Let's try this. Wow, nice. And here you get zoom effects. Here you get normal text. Okay. This is just like style gallery that is present in Microsoft Windows Word 2013. Now undo, redo, and file tab, edit tab, view tab, insert tab, format tools, add-ons, help, and when was the last edit done? History bar. Okay, when you are started using Google Docs, you will automatically know all about these Google Docs. And you can align the text anywhere, and you can upload any picture from computer, from Google Drive, Google Photos, and by URL and from the camera. Then it comes add comment. You can add comment from here. And whenever you hover over any button, you will get what's the button's name, and definitely you will know about it, what kind of button is that and what will happen if you click on it. For example, I am doing hover over on this. You can see that this is font. Hover over on this styles. This is zoom. And like this you can read all the details. Then next comes text direction. Right to left and left to right. This is the normal one, and wow, nice. Very weird, but nice effect. Okay, let's go back to normal and clear formatting. Yes, if you have formatted your text, you can clear the formatting. You can clear the formatting. Here comes, yes, you can share, open new document from template, spreadsheet, presentation form, drawing, and make a copy of this file, and you can email this file, download this file in many options, and make available offline. And version history, you can rename, move, add a shortcut to drive, move to bin, and many more options. And you can read the details too. You can undo, redo, paste without formatting, select all, find and replace. From here, this you can do. From here, this, and many more. Okay, from here you can open comment history, present to a meeting, and from here you can share. Okay, it's very easy to know all about this. And here comes our document's name. If you still haven't named your document, it will always show untitled document. And just click on it. Whatever you have typed, it will show up here. Okay, let's, with the example, have you seen that you have typed a long story. And if you click on this, the whole story will not be in this. Only the first line will show up here, and you can name with it any tag. For example, I'm naming it technical solutions. Simple technical solutions. And I know not need the document at all. I'm making it untitled. Now, then it comes choose template. Now you can choose any template. Okay. Many templates. I'm gonna choose this one. Map of the United States. Why it's here? Okay, now science report. You can name anything on this template, and it's very easy to use all this. Now everything is done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like the video and press the bell icon. And please at least share the video and help me to grow my YouTube channel. More updates will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.